I have a question today which is asking the domain of this function. Before finding the domain, let us recall if we have square root, then whatever inside the square root, it should be greater than or equal to 0. So I am going to start this. So here we have for domain x square minus 3x plus 2 must be greater than or equal to 0. So if I split the middle term, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, it is greater than or equal to 0. Then if I take common here, x minus 2 minus 1 whole into x minus 2, which is greater than or equal to 0. Then I have x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Now you see x minus 1 and x minus 2, the product of two numbers is 0. So what we do, we first find critical point. Here the critical points are equals to 0, minus 1 equals to 0 and x minus 2 equals to 0. Then I have x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. So in this case what we do is draw a straight line to ensure that whether this is followed or not. The mark 1 here, mark 2 here, this is 1 2. Then in this side you write infinity, minus infinity, and in the right hand side you write infinity. Then you choose a number between minus infinity to 1. Suppose I take 0. Now for 0 you can see the first part is negative and the second part is also negative. So in that case negative negative will become positive. So in this area this gives positive sign, whereas if I take anything from 1 to 2, suppose 1.5 take, this is positive but this one will become negative. So in this case it is negative. So in this case what you do, you mark it as negative, which is not required by me. Now 2 to infinity, if I take any point, then this will be positive and this entire thing will be positive, and together they will also give me the positive result. So you can have the correct solution is on this side as well as on this side, and therefore our x should belongs to minus infinity to 1. The here small bracket, and since it can be equal, so it will be big bracket in this side, union of 2 to infinity. Here big bracket and here the small bracket. So this is the domain of this function. So I think this will help you in understanding.